इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी आपका एरिया रहा, क्या प्रोजेक्ट था आपका?
प्रोजेक्ट में सर हमने अपना वेब पेज का डिजाइनिंग किया हुआ था।
बीटेक में आपने वेब पेज डिजाइन को प्रोजेक्ट बनाया?
उसके लिए जो हमारे जैसे एपीआई वगैरह होते हैं ना एप्लीकेशन, तो उसके लिए एक मेरा दोस्त था फ्रेंड, तो वो वेब पेजेस यूज करता था, तो उसी में हम उसके साथ कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहे थे।
As an engineer, I feel like suiciding. You're saying somebody who did graduation BTech took web page design, which is usually a 9th 10th class school project, as a major project in BTech. That doesn't sound working. What was the web page about? क्या था web page, किस बारे में था?
सर एक्चुअली तो मुझे अभी मतलब याद नहीं आ रहा है वो।
आपको अपना प्रोजेक्ट याद नहीं आ रहा है? Must have got 100 marks at least, maybe 250.
Which Coke studio you like, Pakistan version or Indian version?
So both of them, sir. Pakistan version was a starting one, so my interest developed with that, and now Indian Coke studio songs are also developing to that extent. So both.
Don't you think that it is unjust on the Indian artist part that Pakistani Sufi musicians are coming in India, they're getting a good limelight, earning a lot of money, and then they have a hidden agenda to settle down in India itself, and our own Sufi music fraternity, they're struggling a lot.
Sir, no, I don't think so, that because that is also a learning chance for our musicians, that they can learn different genres. For example, Sufi music in Pakistan is very established.
They can go there and they can learn it.
So definitely that can also happen, and I think this is happening globally, and this is also a very good model to learn upon. And I think we cannot see this with a myopic eye, because music, art, literature, culture brings people together, and this might also lead to diffusion of the existing problems within the countries as well. So we need to see into that light as well.
Okay, fine.
If human race vanishes today because of the environmental concerns we all have, who you believe will be the race that will be left on the top of the pyramid?
Sir, if human
species, to be honest.
Okay, sir. In sir immediate future, that will be the species of the predators mostly.
Name one.
Sir, because sir, when the whole race will vanish.
Human race vanishes, but there will be nature. Who you believe will be the species that will be surviving and will be on the top of the pyramid?
Sir, in my opinion, the species that, for example, sir, the microorganisms, viruses, and these who don't need other conditions for survival. For example, sir, the deep water species in marine life, they will survive.
How do we operate the valves within IC engine?
Sir, they are operated by pressure difference.
Please enlighten me. I'm all ears.
Sir, as far as I'm aware, when there's a reduction in the cylinder pressure,
the valve gets sucked.
So gas is sucked through the valve.
That's true. I'm saying how the valves are operated.
Sir, there's some mechanical element, but I'm not able to recall now.
You took mechanical engineering as your optional,
yes, sir.
Right? What is the difference between a crankshaft and a camshaft?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
What is cam, do you remember?
Yes, sir, it is a mechanical member. It is part of a cam follower system. It's used to transmit desired motion to a follower.
Anyways, thank you. See, you mentioned that you were head of the Saraswati Puja committee.
Yes, sir.
Why should a school, a state-funded school, have Saraswati Puja at all? We don't have namaz, we don't have other things in state-funded institution. Why Saraswati Puja?
Sir, constitutionally there is bar on religious instruction in state-funded school, but this is a cultural program which is...
That's a smart and shrewd way of calling religious thing cultural. That's been happening for many, many decades now.
Sir, Saraswati Puja is mainly organized by a student body, and school as an administration does not play a great role in it. They provide security, they provide some support, but it is mainly done by students.
Why should at all there be Saraswati Puja in school, government, state-funded schools?
Sir,
your honest opinion.
Sir, Saraswati goddess Saraswati is...
there may be a goddess in Greek mythology also, I don't care. My question is straight.
Yes.
Why should we have religious pujas in government-funded schools?
Sir, this also shows the cultural heritage of our country. We as a country have a goddess, a female representation of female deity representing the importance of knowledge, and that is imparted to the students. And sir, in my experience, I have seen that students enthusiastically participate in it. And along with the certain aspects of religious rituals which are performed, sir, many cultural festivals are also become part of the festival.
Sir, so how will you teach concept of light to a blind person?
Sir, the light deals with the optics, and in optics we use the ray diagrams. So to teach the visually challenged student, we can take the use of rope. So
that will come only after they understand the concept of light. Will you teach them what is light, or you'll straight away go to the ray diagram? How will you teach a blind person what is light? They never experienced light.
Sir, for a person who is blind by birth, it will be very difficult to teach them the idea of
You want
light.
easy things to be told?
Pardon?
You want me to give you only the easy questions? It is a difficult thing, that's why I'm giving you.
Exactly, sir. Sorry, sir.
We say that let ABC is a triangle. Why let? Why not we simply make it a statement, ABC is a triangle? Why we assume that ABC is a triangle? Or why we have to assume? You're getting my question?
I'm sorry, sir, I did not quite follow it, the last part.
When we say let ABC is a triangle, why do we use the word let? Why can't we say with certainty that ABC is a triangle? It's applicable all mathematics. I'm just giving you an example.
So though I'm not quite sure about it, but I think it's just the nomenclature where a three-letter word can be used to represent a triangle because of the three vertices that are present in the triangle.
So if I draw a triangle on the piece of paper, it will not be a triangle.
It will be a triangle, sir.
If it is be a triangle, then we'll say ABC is a triangle. Why do we say let ABC is a triangle?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware about the exact reason.
Okay, name 3 mathematical models that are used in instrumentation engineering.
I don't know, sir.
You did instrumentation engineering at all, or you just passed exams?
No, sir, I did.
I did. So you can't mention a few mathematical models that are used in instrumentation.
So I don't remember. Right?
You don't remember. Okay, which part of the instrumentation engineering you're comfortable with?
Sir, I did microprocessors.
Okay, fine. Microprocessors programming. Name 3 languages you used.
Sir, we use machine level language, ARM, C, C++.
C, C++ are general level languages. I want specialized microcontroller programming languages.
So we used machine level. On ARM we worked upon.
You worked on ARM. Sudoku is basically living with numbers, right? So I'm sure you'll be able to tell me what are numbers.
Sir, numbers are tools which help us count or which help us keep a track of certain quantities and objects. And unfortunately, being around them so much, I cannot think of a definition, sir. I'm sorry.
If you choose to become a number, a digit, which will it be?
So 8.
Why?
So I've always liked the symmetry of 8. You can cut it exactly in half.
0 is more symmetrical.
Yes, sir, but then with 0, in some situations it might not have a value on its own. But 8 will always have a value, and the fact that it's so perfectly symmetrical means it's balanced. I like the number, sir.
Fine, Saloni, it was nice talking to you. Your interview is over. If you want to ask anything from us, you're welcome. Otherwise, you can go.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Let's suppose you get through. You're into the academy where you're being trained by the state to become an administrator. There you're the youngest person. You're the youngest professional. So what is happening is that your colleagues, the other code probationers, they are being extra nice to you. They are kid gloving you. Are you getting the word kid? They're taking extra care of you. They're not being harsh to you. They're not being unpleasant, but they're getting, and that is in fact creating inequality. You can understand. How will you handle a situation? They won't let you go to fetch water. They'll just get you chocolates. They're taking extra care.
Sir, I think when I will interact with such probationaries, they will realize that although
they'll realize that you're a young, chubby young man who should be taken care of.
Sir, I think when I will interact with them, then they will realize that although I look chubby, I look kid, but actually I am much mature of those who are of my age.
Will you do anything, or you let them do what they're doing?
No, sir, I will assert my rights. Whatever I want to be equal with them.
How will you assert that? For example, in the course of this interview, Kid gloved you many times, at least 3-4 occasions. I do remember. You never asserted.
So sorry,
In the course of last 20 minutes, we kid gloved you at least on 3-4 occasions. You didn't assert.
sir, I think it is going to benefit me, so why should I assert, sir? If it will be going negative for me, that I must have done something.
Okay, nice talking to you. Your interview is over. You can go now. अगर मान लीजिए मैं 50s के 60s के गाने सुनना चाहूँ तो उसके लिए कौन से रेडियो स्टेशंस सबसे ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण हैं?
सर, विविध भारती का नाम काफ़ी है पुराने गानों के लिए. इसके अलावा जो नए FM रेडियो
विविध भारती किस फ्रीक्वेंसी पे रहता है?
जी, फ्रीक्वेंसी मुझे याद नहीं सर.
अच्छा, आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी याद नहीं. कौन महत्वपूर्ण आरजेज हैं विविध भारती पर जिनके पास पुराने गानों को लेकर अच्छी जानकारियां हैं?
माफ कीजिए सर, रेडियो के बारे में इतनी जानकारी नहीं.
आप तो इंजीनियर भी हैं, वैसे भी आपको रेडियो के बारे में जानकारी होनी चाहिए.
यूट्यूब के माध्यम से सुनता रहा हूँ मैं सर, क्योंकि इंटरनेट की अवेलेबिलिटी हर जगह है लगभग.
बिजनौर से आती हैं आप?
यस सर.
हिंदी तो बोल ही लेती होंगी?
यस सर.
बिजनौर से प्रयागराज आने के लिए बजाय सड़क मार्ग के अगर आप एक नाव लें, ठीक है, और गंगा में उसको डाल दें और उससे प्रयागराज तक आए,
यस सर,
तो दोनों तरफ कौन कौन से जिले पड़ेंगे? बिजनौर से शुरू कीजिए, प्रयागराज तक आए.
सॉरी सर, ऐसे
एक भी जिला नहीं बता पाएंगे?
नहीं सर, जिले तो बता पाएंगे, बट मुझे ये नहीं पता होगा कि वो गंगा की
बाएं पड़ेंगे कि दाएं पड़ेंगे. चलिए बिना बाएं दाएं के बताइए.
तो वैसे तो लखनऊ भी होगा, इटावा इधर पे पड़ता है बीच में, और
लखनऊ से होकर गंगा भी बहती है?
नहीं सर, लखनऊ से गोमती जाती है. सर ऐसे नहीं बता पाएंगे, मतलब ऐसे भी नहीं बता.
मुझे इतिहास का ऐसा अवसर बताइए, कितना पीरियड था जिसमें ये तीनों जगह लखनऊ, पटना और अलीगढ़ किसी एक ही राजा के अंतर्गत कब कब थी?
सर, इट इज सर अंडर द दिल्ली सल्तनत, द लखनऊ, पटना एंड Aligarh are in the same under same. So also in Mughal period they are under same. And so Awadh, Aligarh was not in Awadh. So and so under Britishers they are under same. So these three.
So basically पिछले 1000 साल में अधिकतर समय तक वो सेम ही रहे. गुड. मुझे इतिहास का ऐसा अवसर बताइए, कितना पीरियड था जिसमें ये तीनों जगह लखनऊ, पटना और अलीगढ़ किसी एक ही राजा के अंतर्गत कब कब थी?
सर, इट इज सर अंडर द दिल्ली सल्तनत, द लखनऊ, पटना एंड Aligarh are in the same under same. So also in Mughal period they are under same. And so Awadh, Aligarh was not in Awadh. So and so under Britishers they are under same. So these three.
So basically पिछले 1000 साल में अधिकतर समय तक वो सेम ही रहे. गुड. बिजनौर से आती हैं आप?
यस सर.
हिंदी तो बोल ही लेती होंगी?
यस सर.
बिजनौर से प्रयागराज आने के लिए बजाय सड़क मार्ग के अगर आप एक नाव लें, ठीक है, और गंगा में उसको डाल दें और उससे प्रयागराज तक आए,
यस सर,
तो दोनों तरफ कौन कौन से जिले पड़ेंगे? बिजनौर से शुरू कीजिए, प्रयागराज तक आए.
सॉरी सर, ऐसे
एक भी जिला नहीं बता पाएंगे?
नहीं सर, जिले तो बता पाएंगे, बट मुझे ये नहीं पता होगा कि वो गंगा की
बाएं पड़ेंगे कि दाएं पड़ेंगे. चलिए बिना बाएं दाएं के बताइए.
तो वैसे तो लखनऊ भी होगा, इटावा इधर पे पड़ता है बीच में, और
लखनऊ से होकर गंगा भी बहती है?
नहीं सर, लखनऊ से गोमती जाती है. सर ऐसे नहीं बता पाएंगे, मतलब ऐसे भी नहीं बता.